If you're having an issues downloading Hollow Knight Silksong on Steam, first of all, the game actually broke a Steam. The server crashed, kinda, and that was a main problem when it came to downloading it. You wouldn't be able to actually even download the game. So if you're having a problem that a network right here doesn't download the game, just wait a while and then the game should download normally. If there's still problems, go to your Steam settings and then look for the download section. Change your download region to something else and then restart your Steam and see if it works then. If you're having a problem that the game still doesn't download, make sure that you don't have an error like this, not enough free disk space for the game, then free up some space on your disk and then maybe the game should download. And that is basically everything. Just have patience and wait until everything is good with the servers. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.